Bienvenue en France. We're in France and we've already stopped for fuel. And I've put 50 euros in and it didn't quite fill the tank. So this could be an expensive trip. But nonetheless, the roads, anybody who's been to Europe knows the roads, as soon as you get off the tunnel, the roads are just amazing in comparison to ours. So yeah, we'll catch up with you again when something interesting happens. Beer's just got stronger. Welcome to Belgium. Services, isn't it? Good food. There you go. Right, I am actually going to make an attempt at doing a vlog for this Nürburgring trip. So we've just arrived. Here's the accommodation in Adenau. It's the Ring Inn. John kindly booked this, and we are literally down the road from Pizza House, 20 minutes from Christenklaus. And there's a proprietor just going in. He's a lovely bloke. And so yeah, amazing trip down. Not too much traffic, no rain at all. It is currently, we left this morning at 6 local time, so that's UK time, and it's now 6:30 PM in Germany, so 5:30 back home. So 11 hours door to door, which included a few stops for fuel, as you can imagine, because she's a thirsty girl. We hit about, I think, 140 on the Autobahn. Bit of a smell from the cats. Some stuff still to do over the winter period. That drive line I was talking about, but so far so good. Hopefully tomorrow we get her on the ring.
That's the four-wheel drive one, yeah.
Buy a ginger ale over there.
Is it? I ain't even got a tissue, babe. Yeah.
Just a quick interruption here from me. Got to let you know that the framing on some of this video around the track is not great. To be fair, Rachel was trying her best, but needed to look out of the window rather than look at the tiny screen on the Osmo. So lesson learned for me, I need a better camera setup next time I go to the track. Sorry about this. I'll try and put in what I can that's actually looking through the windscreen.
I'm not sure how much we're getting on the video. Oh. Yeah, you can go definitely. Shitters.
Oh man, it puts you in your place. Eh?
Yeah. That's what we're in for, B. You're doing a cracking job, honestly. I'm not sure how much of the footage is going to come out with me holding it like I am. Oh, most of it's the dashboard.
Well spare. Down into the carousel.
Hold on. Spits you out the other end. Yeah. Yeah, there's people going on. Not too far now. Only got 4 kilometres to do, haven't we? Let's try again.
Mini carousel.
Woohoo! Let's go.
That's it.
Yeah. You don't- Well, do you want to tell us about your experience there?
It was just as terrifying as the last time I went around, if I'm honest. I could literally, after like 2 corners, I couldn't remember anything.
Yeah.
Even my own name, pretty much. It's, oh my god, it's up and down, it's blind corners over crests, it's people appearing in your rear view mirror at warp 10. It's just chaos.
It's
man.
adrenaline pumped all the way round, isn't it? You did amazing, honestly.
Well, I didn't bin it.
You didn't
right?
bin the car.
I didn't bin it. I didn't hit anybody else.
Yeah.
And I didn't cause anybody else to bin it.
No.
So I'll count that as a
I reckon that's a win. There's a definite
I have no
high
idea.
five there from you.
I have
for
no
you.
idea how long it took us to get round.
No. The queue getting off.
That is pretty much the lap. That's all the footage we have. It's not great, I'm sorry about that. We will do better next time, and I will do better driving as well, driving faster. My plan is now to build myself a sim racing rig so that I can practice the ring and actually know where I'm going from one corner to the next, which would be nice. The rest of the trip then, Piston Klaus for some celebratory steak. The next day we hit the sim rigs to get a bit more practice, then headed off to Bonn. Bonn were having their city festival, so it was like a German Christmas market, not in Christmas. We popped in, had a look in the Munster Cathedral, and had an alcohol-free beer. Beethoven apparently was born there. He had a message for me, and on the way home, no dramas really. Vent left the chat, but we met these guys on the tunnel with their classic E-types and had a good old chat about their restorations, and they'd been off to Spa. That was nice little bonus on the trip home. Just when you think the holiday's over, these guys turn up with their E-types, so it's pretty cool. If you have been, thanks for watching, and if you made it all the way to the end, call out the fact you've seen the map. Fantastic holiday, recommend it for anybody. The Ring Inn is a great place to stay, really well connected, right next to the track itself, easy drivable, food in the vicinity with no dramas. Piston Klaus is amazing. Yeah, just go do it. Just go do it. We are definitely going back, and we'll probably go to Spa as well, because talking to those guys in the train, they had a fantastic time too. So I'll see you on the next video.